Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be kind of more just entertaining. I picked up a new pressure washer back a while back, and I haven't gotten around to using it yet for the first time. So this is some footage of me playing with it. For some reason it seems like people like to watch videos of you washing your car. They seem to do pretty well, so I thought I would make one of my first time playing with my pressure washer with the Camaro. I haven't even waxed it really since I got it, so the pressure washer really didn't do that good of a job. The water doesn't bead very well, so it didn't clean it very well. It required, washing it by hand. But I did some slow-mo footage of it and did a funny little skit with it. I think you'll enjoy watching it. But before I get into that, I want to show you something. I got a question for you guys. I know some of you are painters and know a lot about paint and things like that. I am really wanting to get the car ceramic coated, but I got a problem. I don't know how it happened, but somehow the car got this huge chip in the paint on the driver's side door. I just discovered it a while back, and I don't know what to do about it in terms of ceramic coating it. Hopefully you can see that. Right here, there's a huge chip, and it goes all the way to the, all the way to the metal. I don't know how it happened, but it's bad. But anyway, my question is, what do I do about that in terms of ceramic coating? I don't really, I don't know anything about paint much, and I don't know much about ceramic coating, but it seems that I wouldn't want to ceramic coat it until I got that fixed. So, to all you out there that know anything about this, this is my question. What should I do about getting that chip fixed? Like, how big of a deal is it going to be? And, where should I, what should I do about it? And, how does that all fit in with ceramic coating it? Let me know in the comments your thoughts and any suggestions you've got. So anyway, like I said, I picked up one of the Sunjo 2030 PSI. Can't forget that extra 30 in there. Pressure washer. Like I said, it didn't do a great job because the car doesn't really have any wax on it, so it's not, the water doesn't bead very well, and the dirt is really stuck to it. And that's why I want to get it ceramic coated, so that hopefully I can, clean it quicker and without the need of actually touching it too much. But anyway, here's some footage of me playing with the pressure washer. I did some slow-mo footage. The car's filthy now already, but it did clean it. It did help. Like I said, it just needs good wax job or ceramic coating, which ceramic coating would be much better, but I need to at least wax it. I'm gonna do that as soon as I get some time. I'll play that footage and then I'll come back and tell you there's quite a few things coming up with the car. Some videos I've got coming out. I've already been shooting for some of them. I just haven't gotten them edited. Been really busy. But I got some pretty good stuff coming after this footage and a little bit of my review of the Sunjo pressure washer. I'll come back and kind of explain what's gonna come up next with the car. Oh yeah, you may have seen this. You can see these numbers. Yep, the car went back to the drag strip. Saw the last video of it at the strip. It didn't do very well. Weather was terrible. Couldn't get it to hook up. Anyway, we took it back. This time to a 1,000-foot track, and the car did a lot better. I'll talk about that some more in just a little bit. All right, here we go. Wow, That's pretty good. Alright, so it's all soaked up. I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. The soap isn't super foamy, but let it sit for a little bit, try to cut some of the grime. Alright, well, can't really tell it, but the soap is kind of dried up, I guess, so now I'm gonna rinse it off. I'm gonna dry it off now and see what it looks like. I really don't think it got the really thick stuff. I got it dried up. It looks pretty clean here, but around the bottom part and the wheels especially, they're still really dirty, so definitely wasn't enough touchless to get it clean. So as you saw, the pressure washer, you probably already know this, but they're not, I mean, they're nice. You can't use them without touching the car. At least not without some really good wax or ceramic coating or something. I have seen, people on YouTube do it after they've got the car ceramic coated, and the water beads so well that it just kind of runs off, and the dirt doesn't stick to the car very, very bad either. So that's my ultimate goal. I want to be able to just use the pressure washer, unless the car is just horribly dirty, to just basically wash it touchless. Touchless? Yeah. Without touching it. Which hence my first question to you guys about what I should do about that nasty little chip in the paint. In my mind, I think I should get that fixed before I try to ceramic coat it. But like I said, let me know what you think. Any of you guys that are paint experts or just have had experience with it, let me know in the comments below. That's right, I took the car back to the drag strip. Now if you saw the last video of it on the strip, it didn't do nearly as well as it could have. Couldn't get it to hook up. Weather was really bad. VA was over I think it was like 3,200. terribly humid. Anyway, we took it back a few days ago. Got that footage, but I haven't gotten it edited yet. That'll be coming out soon. Oh yeah, I also did a little more work to the exhaust. Got the secondary cats deleted. Try to get a little louder. I'll do a cold start for you right now. Keep an eye out for a full video on this. I did some testing, did some decibel reading, decibel meter, before and after. See just how much louder it got. That video will be out shortly, but I'm going to give you a taste. So if you haven't been keeping up, that's the Super 44 Flowmasters. Like I said, I just recently got the secondary cats deleted. Make it a little louder. Like I said, I'll have a full video about that coming up in, pretty soon. And when I do, I will put a link to it up in the corner. Alright guys, so that was a quick update about what's coming next. So stay tuned for all that. The weather's cooling down, so hopefully gonna get quite a bit more track time. But hope you enjoyed this. Like I said, this is just kind of a entertainment video and kind of an update on what's coming up. And I also have I forgot to say, I also have a couple pretty good videos lined up, I think, with the C10. So stay tuned for all that. And if you want to support the channel, hit the like button. Oh yeah, and don't forget to check out my, the merch, the Idol Worship merch. The link to that is in the description. And subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one.